Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I'm always looking for ways to save money. And one of those ways is getting my hair cut at home. So I really liked this Frcolor hair cutting set. It comes with this beautiful carry case, and inside are two types of scissors. There's the straight edge, and then there's the scissors that has a bunch of teeth, which is really good if you have thick curly hair so that you're not having a straight edge, because when you have a straight edge with curly hair, then it makes everything all over the place. That is not an issue for my hair. So it not only comes with those two types of hair scissors, but it also comes with a nice long comb and a cape. It's just a nice thing to have around the house. You can get a haircut anywhere. You can do it in the dining room, in the bathroom, in your bedroom. It's really nice if you travel. It's an easy thing to have with you in case you do need to touch up or fix your hair. It's really just nice for a variety of reasons. And it's just made it a whole lot easier to decide the day of, you know what, I think I need a haircut, and not having to worry about making an appointment, how much is it going to cost, being concerned about even exposure to people possibly being sick. It really takes away a lot of stress, and you can get a haircut whenever you want. So I think this is really good for anybody that's maybe wanting to get into hairstyling, who wants to start cutting their own hair, or maybe would even like to start cutting their own child's hair just to save some money. It is really, really nice. It comes with everything you need. I use it all the time. I love it. And that's my point of view.